Hello, welcome to Pashto for us. How to make animation video in mobile. In this video, we are sharing two animation video maker apps with you. The first one is Whiteboard. How to make animation video in Whiteboard app. Open Whiteboard app in your mobile. Click on the Create button. Type a name for your video file. And select the size you want from the following box. And click on Done. Click on the text icon to add text to video. Type the text which want to add in video. And click on Save. Set the size of text. Now if you want to more text to video, click again on text icon and type the text. And set the size of the text. Now click on the Arrange. And arrange the layers as your requirement. Now click on Play button to check how is your video will be make. Click on the hand icon if you want to change the hand style. Now click on the sticker. Click on the clip art. Choose the clip art which you want to add in your video. And set size and position. Now, if you want to add another clip art in your video, click on the stacker and select clip art. And choose the best clip art which you want to in your video. You can change the pen style from hand. If you want to play a clip art before or after a clip art, click Arrange and up or down the clip art as your requirement. Now click the play button to the vid. Number 2. The second app is Benname app. Available on Play Store. How to make animation video in Benname app. Let's start it. Open Benname app in your mobile. And click on the plus sign. Enter a name for your movie. Select a size for your video. And click on Create Movie. Now click on the text icon to add text to video. Type the text. And click on the insert. Select the text if you want to change the text style or set the size of text. Click the clip art to insert clip art in the video. Choose a best clip art which is suitable for your video. Set the size and fit on the area where you want. Click on the play button to check the video. You can change background color from BG icon for your video. You can change the style of hand writing from the hand icon. You can also add voiceover to your video. Or create text-to-speech for your video. To add text-to-speech, click on the three dots and click on the Add Audio Beta. Write text in the text area. Make any changes if you want and click on Save as MP3. Now click on Play. Tracks for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. And also click the bell icon. Thanks.